So the idea of having to really figure out your risk around quantum safe technologies, around your cryptography, it can feel daunting. There are a lot of ways that IBM is really trying to help with this. And really, IBM has two major missions. We are obviously one of the major innovators. We've invested billions of dollars into bringing quantum computing to the world. So that is a major mission that we have contributed. But we also have the mission of then keeping the world quantum safe. And this really goes back many decades. We have a world class research organization that has been contributing since the 1970s to the space and the area of cryptography. And that is in part what has led to the fact that IBM was one of the major submitters to the NIST standards that have now been accepted and have now been published as standards for post quantum cryptography. So this summer, NIST published 3 standards that will be implemented by organizations for post quantum cryptography. 2 of those 3 standards and algorithms have been submitted by IBM researchers, and there's a 4th one that's under consideration. So there is a lot that we are doing in the world to contribute to helping create quantum safe at a much bigger and broader level. From our world here in software, we are looking at how do we help automate with technology the process of assessing, getting visibility to your cryptography, assessing your risk around your cryptography posture, and then what you do about it. How do you remediate, take action on what it is that you find? And so this becomes a very common cybersecurity problem now applied to the domain and the space of cryptography. So we have built tools and technology we just delivered at the end of 2024 called Guardium Quantum Safe. And the idea behind it is helping you get an inventory of your cryptographic assets around the organization, from applications, network, other parts of your infrastructure, to be able to get an overall inventory. And like all cybersecurity problems, when you do a scan and you do inventories, you get a list much longer than you can humanly address. And so you need a way to prioritize. And one of the important ways that we see organizations needing to prioritize is based on where your sensitive data is. What is the most important applications carrying data, or the most important data areas that need to be protected first, or may need to be addressed or remediated first? And so that prioritization is a core part of what we help do in Guardium Quantum Safe that then leads to the actions that you will take, whether that is in coordination with someone that owns an application, or whether that's, direct integration to systems like ServiceNow or Jira, something of that nature that allows you to immediately take action on vulnerabilities that are identified surrounding your cryptography. And the important part of what we've done with Guardium Quantum Safe is we've made it part of the wider Guardium Data Security Center as well. It's a broader data security platform. That's how we know where your sensitive data is. That's how we're able to take different attributes to inform the risk assessment and the way that the risk engine can actually help with that prioritization and benefiting from the broader context of the overall platform. So it's a critical area that we're really getting engaged with a lot of customers around. And if we can help, love to talk to you and your organization about how you're thinking about it, and if you're starting to build a roadmap and how we can help you build that road on your quantum safe journey.